In today's video, I'll show you how you can add external collaborator companies to your project. To get started, navigate to the left-hand sidebar menu and select the Project Settings page. Here, you'll want to select the Project Directory tab. Here is where you'll be able to see all of the companies that are on your project at the moment. To add an external company, say for example an install company, click the Invite Company button. After clicking, a pop-up will appear. From here, you can start typing the company name. If the company is already registered in Matrak, you can select them from the drop-down menu here. Next, you'll need to select the type of collaborator seat, using one of your own collaborator seats or inviting them to use their own subscription. Next, you select their project access between admin, write, or read. Then you'll select the Invite and Configure button. We'll come back to that later in this video. Now, if you're inviting a company that is not currently registered with Matrak, select Add. From here, you'll be asked for an email address. Simply type your contact's email address here. Next, select the type of collaborator seat and project access. From here, we'll select Invite and Configure. This brings you through to the Advanced Permissions page, where you'll configure the access for the company you are inviting. Firstly, have a look at the materials. So for this example, Rohan Install are looking after facade. So with the FF&E and BIM, they will not need to see that. So we can click on Restricted so they don't see it. And for facade detail, they'll just need to read that. So we'll have Read Only. We can also get more granular through here by updating different statuses that they are able to change. Then you just come through all of your material types and repeat. Within containers, for example, they might not be ticking off the statuses, but do need to have visibility of those containers arriving. So we can select Read Only right here. Once you've finished, click on Close Permissions. And that is how you set up a new collaborator company. Your new collaborators will receive an email notification inviting them to the project and inviting them to Matrak if they are not already on the system.